Welcome back. Alleged drug peddler Atala was granted bail by the NDPS court on Thursday. With this order, Atala could be out of jail by Monday. Meanwhile, in another case, alleged drug peddler Dudu has filed an intervention application opposing Gudlar's bail application. In reply, counsel for Gudlar has stated that the intervention has been filed to delay the bail application. The matter will come up for hearing next Wednesday. NDPS court on Thursday granted bail to alleged drug peddler ATALA'S Yaniv Benaim. The counsel for Atala, advocate Swapnil Nasnodkar, had earlier argued that there was no evidence to prove that Atala was involved in drug peddling.
Because there is no evidence against him, not even a single gram of drugs has been recovered from him. That is the reason he has been granted bail. As of now, our arguments were that there is no recovery of drugs from him. And he has been released on a condition he should furnish 50,000 surety by Monday, hopefully. They had strongly objected, saying that he had already absconded. For the first time, he should not be granted bail, saying that there is no residential address of his in Goa. So there will be a condition, hopefully, that he should not leave state of Goa. He will be available.
Meanwhile, in another police drug nexus case that came up for hearing in the NDPS court, alleged drug peddler Dudu has filed an intervention application on Wednesday opposing the bail application by suspended PSI Sunil Gudlar and urged the court to take it up for hearing on Thursday on an urgent basis. The court was supposed to pass an order on the Gudlar's bail application on Thursday. Counsel for Dudu, advocate Raju Paulekar, in the intervention application said, "We are being falsely implicated in this case. We must be allowed to intervene the bail application filed by Sunil Gudlar, as we have faced custody for 11 months in the falsely implicated case. As a result, we have to appear repeatedly in the trial." Counsel for Gudlar, advocate Galileo Talis, in reply to this intervention application has stated, "This is no locus standi to file this intervention application. There is nothing new in the application for intervention and it is only filed to delay the bail application. The matter has been fixed for hearing on this intervention application on 20th March at 2:30 p.m. in the NDPS court. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Falari. A fighter and crusader, Matani Saldana's name and identity has been embossed in the books of Goan history. Though he has left the world, his memories and good service to the nation as a brave citizen will always be cherished. Have a look. Shashank Bakal, one of his students, showed us his prized treasure, an autograph signed by Matani when Shashank passed out from Don Bosco High School in 1995. Matani would always motivate his students to contribute to the country and state.
माझा एक ऑटोग्राफ बुक असलो जेन्ना हांवें 10th आसतना तेजे कडल्यान बरोवन घेतलेले 10thकूच न्हू पूण खूब पयलींपासून तेजे फक्त ह्या देशाक आनी ह्या स्टेटीक लागून तेजे सदांच उलोवप आसताले खूब हाय उलोवप आसताले खूब बरे हितून आमकां तो सांगतालो केन्नाच तेणें खंयच्याच हितून आमकां वायट मार्गदर्शन किंवा हें दिल्लें ना म्हाज्या ऑटोग्राफ बुकारूय ताणें अशेंच बरयल्लें आसा की आमच्या देशाक बरे सिटीजन जाय खूब बरे रितीन बरयल्लें आसा म्हणजे काळजाक सामकें दुख्ख आसल्यार तें उलोवपाक म्हाका चड जमचें ना पूण तेजे दुख्खान खूबच वायट दिसलेलें आसा.
Prudent Media's website also received many comments paying tributes and remembering Matani. Have a look.
Andy from Naveli says, "May the soul of Matani Saldana rest in peace. Goa has lost a person who had a clean slate. Hope more of our politicians will strive to follow this and give the people of Goa a good government after the booting out the looters." Ryan from Madgaon says, "Mathani was God's gift to the state of Goa. Today our tiny state has returned this gift to our Lord." Mike from Porvuri says, "Mathani sir, I don't want to believe that you are no more in this world. You are the dynamic leader who worked for the upliftment of society." Iris Rodriguez from Ribandar says, "Had the privilege of working alongside Mr. Mathani Saldana on various issues and many agitations. Unlike Mathani, who sacrificed much personally in his struggle for a better Goa." Dominic Vaz from Sharao says, "May the soul of Mathani Saldana rest in peace. CM Manohar Parrikar and people of Goa will miss him in Goa Assembly forever. God bless Goa.
With Bureau Inputs, our reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.